Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites quickly. Charge the phone to at least 20% and back up anything important. Once done, identify whether you're on Android or iOS because methods differ. Now perform the first actions. Power off the device fully, wait 10 seconds, then power on normally. If you use external SD or a case that presses buttons, remove it first. These initial steps rule out simple causes like stuck keys or storage conflicts, and let you test a clean reboot immediately. Once rebooted, you'll continue by targeting the usual culprits, apps and caches. If the phone still boots in safe mode, open Settings and go to Apps. Uninstall or disable any app installed right before the issue. These often trigger safe mode. Then clear app caches and system cache data to remove corrupted temp files that can force safe boot. Make sure to try a normal restart after each change, so you can confirm which action resolved the problem without losing more data than necessary. To finish, use recovery options when normal fixes fail. Reboot into recovery and wipe the cache partition. This doesn't erase personal files, but often clears stubborn safe mode triggers. If safe mode remains after wiping cache, perform a factory reset only as a last resort and after a full backup. Make sure to reinsert SD and reboot afterward. Troubleshooting tip: inspect volume and power buttons or the case. A physically stuck button commonly forces safe mode, so fix or replace it before restoring data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.